Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off auto call recording in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. First of all, go to this call button. Go to call button, then go to these three vertical dots, and here select settings, and here select record calls. Here already auto record calls turned on. Okay, you go to turn off this button so that future calls hereafter no call will be recorded. Okay, so in this way we can easily turn off auto call recording in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. What you have to do is go to call button, go to three vertical dots here, go to settings, go to record calls, and make sure that this auto record calls button is turned off. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.